in the back of my coffee shop and, well, everybody is ordering a lot of iced drinks at this point. And I, for one, am excited that things have finally started to warm up and can't wait for them to get a little bit warmer. But at some point, it can get too warm. We have plenty of humid summers here in New York City, honestly. Thankfully though, Dreo sent me 2 of their brand new fans to check out and make a video about. The Dreo TurboPoly Fan 519S and the TurboPoly Fan 508S are both designed to effectively cool your environment while staying quiet. And they also look pretty nice to me. But let's do a quick hands-on with both of them so you can decide which one might be better for you. And this is the Dreo TurboPoly Fan 508S, which, if you could believe it, can run as low as 20 decibels in its low noise mode, which is about the same volume as a ticking watch. Despite being so quiet, however, its turbo wind feature and 7-inch bionic blade means that it can push air up to 90 feet away, or 1,000 cubic feet per minute. I don't know about you, but there isn't a single room in my apartment or my coffee shop even that's 90 feet long. It has a maximum wind speed of 28 feet per second, but it's an air circulator fan. So it's designed to be able to circulate air around an entire room rather than just towards a specific area of a room. To more effectively do so, it has a fully articulating fan, so it has a 3D oscillation feature, which means you can point it in any direction, not just left and right, but up and down as well. All this combined means that the fan can fully circulate the air in a room in under 1 minute. Now, Dreo took the opportunity of the fully articulating fan unit to build more features into it as well. For example, it has full RGB lighting built into it, and when you point it up, it kind of does look like a lamp. I kind of like it. The other new model, the Dreo TurboPoly Fan 519S, even has a low noise mode that hits only 25 decibels in volume, which is far quieter than your average tower fan. For reference, that's in between the volume levels of a ticking watch and a whisper. And it can do that while also still being more powerful and more energy efficient than most other fans. It's also packed with helpful features that mean it can cool down your space more efficiently, and as a tower fan, it has a more focused airflow, and it goes all the way up to 28 feet per second air speeds, which is perfect for cooling down specific locations within a room. On top of those features, it's not disruptive or overly strong. The airflow is actually pretty gentle when it needs to be, so it's great if you want something a little more in your face, but that still cools down a room. Like other tower fans, it has a filter that does need to be cleaned every now and then, but on this model, it's very simple. You just remove this back cover, clean the filter, and pop it back in. Despite the fact that it's a tower fan, the Dreo TurboPoly Fan 519S can actually cool larger areas than you might expect. It has a 90-degree oscillation, so it'll pivot to cool a room, which is perfect for when you don't want it blowing directly at you all the time. Both the TurboPoly Fan and the tower fan can be controlled using built-in controls, an included remote, or the Dreo app. In that app, you can schedule your fans so that they can turn on and off when it's most convenient. You can control the RGB lighting on the TurboPoly Fan and integrate the fans with Alexa and Google Assistant and even Siri shortcuts. There's also a number of different modes that you can use depending on the scenario that you're in. The first of which being auto mode that will just sense the temperature and then turn on when it gets too hot and adjusting between the different wind speeds available on it depending on just how hot it is. The other modes include natural, which is designed to feel like a light outdoor breeze, normal, which is for cooling a room in day-to-day life, and sleep, which will gradually and quietly cool the room at night. And, as the name might suggest, the TurboPoly Fan also has a turbo mode for cranking it up to max speed. Both of these new fans use what is called a brushless DC motor, also known as a BLDC motor. Without getting too much into the mechanical differences between these two types of motors, let's quickly go through some of the real-world differences and benefits of BLDC over AC motors. The BLDC motor can produce a faster wind speed versus the AC motor. It operates quieter and with less vibration, thanks to it not needing a gear system like the AC one does. The AC motor has more limited speed controls, whereas the BLDC motor, because of how it uses magnets, can get more precise control over the speed. The BLDC motor is 40% more energy efficient, and it's more durable, with an 88% longer lifespan. So, which of the two fans is better for you? Well, you have to decide if you want to have a more natural breeze in a room, need to direct the air to a more specific area, or if you want to have the option to circulate the air in the room instead, want to aim the fan in many different directions, and don't necessarily want to point it at a specific spot. You can aim it upward, for example, instead. Oh, and of course, how excited you get for all things RGB. And there you go. That's the Dreo Tower Fan 519S and the TurboPoly Fan 508S. If you want to check these out for yourself, there'll be a link below where you can do that. And now I'm going to take one of these into the podcast booth and record voiceover for a video, just because I can. Good night.